Are you tired of the limitations of your current blender? Ready to elevate your culinary game and create restaurant-quality dishes in the comfort of your own kitchen? The Philips HR3760 blender might just be the game changer you've been looking for. In this in-depth review, we'll explore the features, functionality, and sheer power of this blender, leaving you with no doubts about its place in your kitchen. Philips blender, where power meets versatility. At the heart of the Philips blender is a formidable 15-watt motor, a powerhouse that effortlessly tackles any blending task you throw its way. Let's dive into why this blender is a kitchen essential. Versatility unleashed. This blender is designed to cater to all your culinary desires, whether it's crafting smooth soups, delicious sauces, or delightful smoothies. The Philips blender boasts a generous 2-liter capacity, ensuring you can whip up enough culinary delights to satisfy your family and friends. Click the link below to see the full product specifications and explore the countless ways this blender can transform your culinary experience. Variety of speeds for precision. With 12 different speeds at your disposal, this blender gives you absolute control over your recipes. Whether you're looking for a fine puree or a chunky salsa, you can easily adjust the speed to achieve your desired consistency. The preparation possibilities are virtually limitless. ProBlend Ultra technology. What sets the Philips blender apart is the ProBlend Ultra technology, which encompasses the engine, blades, and bowl. This cutting-edge technology ensures that your ingredients are blended to perfection, delivering a silky smooth texture and consistent results every time. Say goodbye to lumps and chunks in your soups and sauces. Effortless and precise blending. One of the standout features is the blender's ability to tackle even the toughest ingredients. Whether you're crushing ice for refreshing beverages or making nut butter for a healthy snack, the Philips blender ensures the job is done with precision and efficiency. Sleek and practical design. The blender's sleek design is not just an aesthetic choice, it's also highly practical. The ergonomic handle and easy-to-use controls make it a user-friendly addition to your kitchen. The detachable blade unit ensures easy cleaning, and it's dishwasher safe, which means less time spent on cleanup and more time savoring your creations. Why this blender? The Philips blender is not just a kitchen appliance, it's a culinary companion. It empowers you to explore your creativity in the kitchen, experiment with various recipes, and impress your family and friends with restaurant-quality dishes. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, this blender simplifies your culinary journey. Don't miss out. Why settle for mediocrity in the kitchen when you can have a kitchen companion that takes your culinary endeavors to the next level? If you're passionate about cooking and want to elevate your game, the Philips blender is a must-have. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.